Noted. Leader of the Senate.
Mr. President, very respected colleagues, the first
distinguished leader, 1 second. Senator, former minority leader, you know you can't speak from there now. You can go to your seat. Then when you get your seat, I'll recognize you. When you go to your seat, you cannot use Senator and do me the same. Leader of the Senate.
Sorry.
Leader of the Senate, yeah.
Mr. President, please, we need some. Mr. President, as it stands today in this chamber, there is no any organized sitting arrangement. And you recall that I raised this issue in our leadership meeting once, that it is not in order that senators will just choose where to sit like that. We should organize. If the former minority leader decides to sit there, Mr. President, he deserves to sit there.
There is no microphone there.
There is no microphone there.
Microphone. Mr. President, let us not take the Panadol for his headache. He chooses to sit there. If he decides now on his own volition to go to where there is a mic and speak, Mr. President, we should oblige him. But let me advise that please, even though we have only 6-7 months to go, let's do what is right. That some of our colleagues have moved from APC to PDP. Some of our colleagues may move or have moved from PDP to APC, APC to ADC, and so on. We may allow our colleagues to choose where they want to sit, but that's not the practice in legislature. We have the standard of how we sit or how arrangements should be. Let's do it.
Leader, I have to stop you because the clerk has been directed by myself to allocate seats for people to speak, and the clerk will confirm that to you. So the clerk has been directed to give and allocate seats for people to sit. So, and that is working on that, and you do that. So I don't think that that's okay.
We need to be guided by our rules. Yes. Let's have sitting arrangement.
Agreed. So clerk, ensure that by next week that is done with the name posted on it. All right? Okay. Senator Akpabio, you cannot speak from there. Senator Dino Melaye.
Out of order.
Yes, Senator Porker.
Mr. President, sir. Leader. Mr. President, sir. Senator Akpabio came order 43 on self-explanation. Mr. President, if you allow me, let me just read.
Does he not have an attack dog in the Senate? He has now employed Nelson as
Mr. President, order 43. By the indulgence of the Senate and the leave of the President of the Senate, a senator may make a personal explanation.
somebody is on the
The
scene.
tenth of the Senate statement shall be submitted in detail to the President of the
You were
Senate
not recognized. It was
when his leave is sought.
Akpabio, you were not
Under this order,
not recognized.
there is no contribution to be made by any other senator. Is order 43, self-explanation. And my brothers and my subjects cannot make a comment
What is your
on this
problem?
issue. I so submit, Mr. President. Thank you. So you cannot even make a submission. You cannot. Akpabio, you cannot. Order 43, you cannot. Order 43, you cannot. No, order 43. Order 43, you cannot. Order 43. You cannot.
Point of order. Point of order. Give me my husband. Give me my room. Give me my room. Point of order. Please sit down. Don't let them. Go and sit. Point of order. No. Let's not. Go and sit wherever you want. I don't know what the people are doing. No, it's not.
Yes, Deputy Senate President. Deputy Senate President.
Settle down, please.
Yeah. DSP.
Just like any PDP senator,
Deputy Senate President.
Order. Thank you, Mr. President. Very distinguished colleagues.
there should be equity in this place. You can't discriminate against our senators. You can't discriminate against our senators. You can't do that.
This leader and Deputy Senate President, what we agreed was that I said Senator Akpabio should go to a place where there's a microphone. Not that he should not speak. Simple. And that is what I said. I told he should go to a place where I have said it. He should go to a place, that is what I said. Yes, he should go to a place where there's not. No. Go to a place. No, that is not true. No. He said, no, leader, you're not being fair. All I said, you should go to a place where there's a microphone. No. The point is that you should go to a place where there's a microphone.